What's up everyone? Today we are breaking down Cryptoge, Binance brand new listing that's been making serious noise in the market. What is it? What's behind it? And where could it go? Okay, so imagine this. An AI company needs to buy 100 GPUs. Those are the chips that power artificial intelligence. They don't have the cash, so they come to USD AI. Those GPUs up as collateral and get a loan. Simple as that. You as an investor deposit money into the protocol and earn interest from those loans. Chip token is what gives you voting rights over how the whole system runs. Here's the thing, AI is growing insanely fast right now. Every tech company on the planet is buying GPUs. But traditional banks are slow. Loans take months. USD AI closes deals in under 30 days. Big names already signed on. We're talking about $500 million deals with major AI companies. And serious investors are backing this project too, including some of the biggest names in crypto venture capital. Now let me be straight with you. Binance listed this with a high risk warning. This is a brand new token. New tokens can pump hard and drop just as hard. Technology sounds great on paper, but the project is still very early. So don't go throwing your life savings at this. So that's cheap. AI means DeFi, real deals, real backing, but still early stage. Do your own research before doing anything. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.